Today's video is about fixing the error that appears when launching some games on Steam Launcher. When you try to start the game, you may see the error shown on your screen. There are two methods to fix this issue. If the first one doesn't work, try the second one. Let's get started. Method 1. Open Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. Go to Interface, then choose Steam Family Beta Update. Once you select it, Steam will automatically restart. If it doesn't restart, simply close Steam and open it again, and it will begin downloading the latest update. After the update is finished, launch Steam again and try running your game. In most cases, the error should be gone. If this method doesn't work or you can't find the Steam Family Beta option, move on to the second method. Open your browser and search for Goldberg Emulator on GitLab. Open the Goldberg Emulator page, then click on Latest to download the latest compressed file. After the download is complete, extract the archive and open the folder. If you're using Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, or Windows 11, copy the two files inside the Windows folder. If you're using Linux, open the Linux folder and copy the two files inside it. Now open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game that's showing the error, then select Manage, then Browse Local Files. Paste the two copied files into the game folder and click Replace when prompted. After that, completely close Steam, then launch it again so we can load the new files. Now try launching the game again. The issue should be fixed. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace be upon you.